In this video, I'll talk about the Facebook verification badge, the Facebook Black verification badge. I've seen a lot of videos online on how you can actually set it up, but you should know that some of the links, everything basically is a code. If you go to Google and type in Black badge code for Facebook, you can find the GitHub. It's not a real badge. This is the first thing you want to know. It's a black badge. This is the code, but it's not a real badge. And also some people will ask you to download links, which is very, very important and very, very scary because you can get hacked with some of these links. So be careful out there. And I'm not sure if it's even worth it because people are catching on to this. It's just a fake emoji. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. If the video helped you out, hit the like button. See you next time.